All right, we've seen those big, ugly, concatenated strings. Now, at some points, yeah, it works, but you get more elaborate with it, and you want to get more dynamic with it, it's not the most efficient way to be able to create a string of text. Now, what I'm going to show you here is using variables within the string itself. And no concatenating. Take a look. So I'm going to use the same example I had before. I'm going to bring in a name variable, and I'll make it equal to Kyle. There we have it. And then I'm going to print out, I want it to say, hello, Kyle. Now, in the past, I would close that, make sure I got the space there. I bring in the plus sign, I bring in name, and so on. Well, forget that. So here, I'm going to say hello, put my normal space in there, and then I'm going to inform the string here that I'm going to bring in a variable. That's the percent symbol. So to Python, it's like, oh, well, you're going to insert something into here. You're going to put a variable in here. Now, the next thing it wants to know is, well, what is the type? What type of data does this variable contain? Well, in this case, it's a string. So I'm going to tell it percent, a variable is going to go in here, and it's going to be of type string. Now I'm going to close that. That's it, right there. There's my formatted string. Now, Python needs to know, well, what's the variable that you're going to put in there? So outside of the string that I've just created, outside the close quote, I'll do space, percent, and then I'm going to put in the variable that I want to insert into that spot. I'll close it. So now it's going to take this right here and insert it into this spot of the string. So I'll hit my enter key, and there we have it. Hello, Kyle. Just like that. No longer are you concatenating these big long strings with these plus signs and so on. You're utilizing variables within the string itself. Hello, variable. Well, what's the variable? Hello, Kyle. Done. Try this out. Get a feel for it. Okay? Insert variables into your formatted strings. Now, there's more that I want to get into. We did age earlier. I want to talk about that one as well. But first, get this one to work for you. Then we'll jump in and we'll take a look at using numeric values as well.